Sunday, and on Sundays we try and treat ourselves to a nice breakfast. And today we're having the best breakfast that money can buy. We're having bacon naan kits from Dishoom. So if you don't know what Dishoom is, it's a chain of Indian restaurants that do breakfast. And I know Indian for breakfast probably doesn't sound great, but it's incredible.
Did you look up for us?
Imagine.
How much are you thinking it's going to cost?
No idea. I've had a year without fun, Jess. I don't know what a holiday costs anymore.
I'm a bit surprised.
It's been so long. Trying to book some kind of little getaway for May, but it seems the rest of the country's had the same idea. And most places are booked up. And the places that aren't booked up are really expensive. Fitness is in the back.
I won't say in the back. It's looking good. Another beaut day, so we come for a walk on Portland, which is an island off the coast of Dorset.